Wera Germany, professional branded products. This is a fantastic new toolkit from Wera Tools. As you would expect, great packaging, and what do you get inside? Well, straight away you see that the case is superb. High density case, rubber branded as well, so no expense spared with the Wera products. Open it up, and you have a complete toolkit here. A complete toolkit for basically all of your 8 out of 10 jobs that you need to do. You've got a full set of VDE screwdrivers with laser tipping on the end. Now the laser tipping helps to bite into the screw so you get no slippage or camming out. So again, craft formed handles as well by material. So soft yellow grips, obviously over the red handle, which stops it slipping in your hand, fits to your hand absolutely perfectly. This, as we say, Wera Tools are just superb. So you've got a full set of screwdrivers, a mains tester, also a chisel driver there, which it can be used as a demolition tool. It goes all the way through to the end, so the blade goes all the way through to the end, and a slotted tip on there as well, so an extra screwdriver in place. Again, fantastic set of screwdrivers, probably best in class Wera branded screwdrivers. Then we move on to some of the automotive and accessories. You've got a 10mm and a 13mm combination spanner. These are the Joker ones as well, so there's a nut holding feature in there so the nut doesn't slip off. You've got a ratcheting end at one end as well, really clever. So if you're going down threaded rod, you're not going to slip off, you can just do it. Great, 10mm and 13mm, two most popular sizes. A Zyklop's 1/4 inch ratchet handle, and again, Zyklop's because you can turn the head to different settings, forward and back, and then you can also put it into straight mode so you can use it like a screwdriver. In the middle is like a little spinner handle there, so you can actually tighten things up really quickly. A great feature. A selection of sockets to fit it, 7, 10 and 13mm, again most popular sizes. A range of long screwdriver bits and short bits for your power tool, and also an adapter there which you can turn the ratchet handle into a screwdriver as well. Absolutely everything you would need. Really professional quality. A superb set from Wera Tools. You really should get down to your Real Deal stockist and check one of these out, because this is absolute best in class, truly a set for the keen DIYer or professional.